When it comes to survival, fire is life. It provides warmth, cooks your food, purifies water, and even acts as a beacon for rescue. Today we'll explore the must-have fire starters for your bug-out bag, all available through Ultra Prime Selections, your one-stop shop for survival gear and essentials. In a survival situation, you can't rely solely on nature to provide dry wood or perfect conditions. That's why your bug-out bag needs reliable, efficient fire starters. At Ultra Prime Selections, we stock only the best survival gear to ensure you're ready for anything. Let's break down the essentials. First on the list, waterproof matches. These are affordable, easy to use, and can light even when soaked. At Ultra Prime Selections, we offer premium waterproof match kits complete with durable cases and built-in strikers. Ferro rods are a staple in any bug-out bag. They're lightweight, durable, and capable of producing sparks in almost any weather condition. You'll find top-rated ferro rods at Ultra Prime Selections to pair with your tinder for a reliable fire source. Lighters are quick and convenient, but not all are created equal. A stormproof lighter is a game-changer designed to work in extreme wind and rain. Ultra Prime Selections offers a variety of lighters to suit any survival need. Always carry a couple, just in case one fails. A magnesium fire starter combines the reliability of a ferro rod with the added bonus of highly flammable magnesium. Ultra Prime Selections carries magnesium fire starters that are compact, easy to use, and perfect for your bug-out bag. Don't forget to pack tinder. Pre-made options like cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly or fatwood sticks can save valuable time when conditions are less than ideal. Ultra Prime Selections has you covered with high-quality tinder options. Here's a pro tip: always pack multiple fire-starting methods. Redundancy is key in survival situations, and don't forget to practice using each tool before you're in an emergency. For the best fire-starting tools and kits, head over to Ultra Prime Selections. With these must-have fire starters from Ultra Prime Selections, you'll be ready to face the elements and stay warm, safe, and prepared. Visit us online or in-store to gear up for your next adventure. What's your go-to fire starter? Share it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more survival tips.